Creating a team in Asana allows you to organize projects and tasks effectively, especially when managing multiple members and departments. Here's how to create a team in Asana. Access your Asana account. Log into your Asana account. On the left sidebar, you will find the option to manage teams. Create a new team. On the left side of the screen, click on Teams. You will see an option to create team. Click on this to start setting up your new team. Name your team. Enter a team name that reflects the purpose or department, such as marketing team or development team. Select privacy settings. Choose whether you want the team to be public or private. For privacy, select private and invite specific people. Invite team members. Add members by entering their email addresses or selecting them from your organization's directory. You can invite multiple people at once. Create projects within the team. After setting up the team, start creating projects within it to organize tasks. Projects can be managed using different views such as list, board, or calendar.